What's up, Facebook, YouTube, niggas? This is my rant about Skate 2. Skate 2. I played it for about 5 hours, and I got really pissed off at it. Skate 2 is more realistic than you think. Because if you hit one little kink, you're like in the dink. With the dink. Now, Skate 2 is a very good game. I like it, but I just don't like crashing all the time. I always just crash into stupid shit, like a little like curb, and I just fall. It's like, and I always get pissed off. And always when you try to own your own spot, it's gay because it's just gay. Because I hate gayness. Fuck it. I can't even like own my own spot. So Skate 2 is a good game, but fuck it. Fucking retard.
Fucking hilarious.